Listen up, unraveling the meaning. Hey learners! Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or in everyday conversations. Listen up! Ever wondered what it means and when to use it? Let's find out. Listen up is a colloquial phrase, which essentially means to pay attention. It's an informal way to ask someone or a group of people to focus on what the speaker is about to say. Often, it's used when the speaker believes that what they're about to share is important. For example, a coach might say, "Listen up, team. I have some important announcements." A teacher might use it to gather students' attention. "Listen up, class. We have a change in our schedule." While it's challenging to pinpoint the exact origins of many colloquialisms, "listen up" likely emerged from a combination of the words listen, meaning to give attention to sound, and up, which can be used for emphasis in many phrases. Together, they give a sense of urgency and immediacy. Let's explore a few situations where "listen up" could be used. 1. In a meeting, "Listen up, everyone. We have a new update from the management." 2. During an event, "Listen up, folks. The main event will start in 5 minutes." 3. In casual settings, "Hey, listen up. I've got some news to share." In formal phrase, remember, "listen up" is informal. So, while it's perfect for casual conversations, gatherings, or team huddles, it might not be the best choice for very formal settings. Emphasis on urgency. Using "listen up" indicates that you believe what you're about to say is crucial. So use it when you really need people's attention. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "listen up." Next time you hear it or decide to use it, you'll know exactly what it means and the right context for it. Happy learning, and keep tuning in for more insights into the English language.